FAIRINO AI-powered welding robots deliver comprehensive, customized intelligent welding solutions. Mobile welding solution. 3D vision programming free welding solution. Large workpiece welding solution. High mix, low volume flexible solution. Air lab programming free smart welding solution. Breaking traditional limits, these solutions help enterprises reduce costs, boost efficiency while ensuring premium quality. FAIRINO Air Lab enables robots to understand weld seams, driving the intelligent upgrade of the welding industry.